Hello and welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. Let's still talk about late flowering lilies. So this is a lovely hybrid from Guntis. It's I believe a tetraploid OT. Same breeder, tetraploid OT. And this one is Longiconda. It's an LA hybrid, a very old LA hybrid. This one is Bolt. And this one is Forever, I believe. No, maybe not. It's something else, I believe. But never mind, it's a lovely plant. Still some gladioli, plum-tart, Oscar, and this is a darker red one. I don't know what it is. What irrigation system is going? Some agapanthus, and my licorice is in flower. So I really like licorice because it just starts to flower in late July, early August to mid-August, and they just come up with these stems and flower and then go dormant. Soon I'm going to have some lily flowers. This is Polar Star, the Eucharis is in bloom, and also a lot of snails. So you can see I applied some slug pellets. The drip is going nicely, and some OT hybrids. This is the Salmon Party. This is a very nice one, Chardonnay, and you can see that some of the flowers had sunburn, and a lot of fusarium because of the warmth, so plants do not look great, but it's the end of lily season, so not much surprise there. You can see that some cultivars like Rose Lily Daima, the buds did not open, they just burn up in the heat, because we had like 38 degrees, that's over 100 Fahrenheit, and this is really not ideal for oriental lilies in the sun. So they've seen better days. Look at this, how much sunburn, petal burn. Just pick it up and that's all I can do. Rose Lily Nadia, Corvara, Casablanca, Empress. I like the color, it's a nice plant, but I haven't I don't know how to grow it correctly, so I have a lot of seed pods which I have to get rid of, and still some OTs, Debbie, Beverly Dreams, Black Beauty, and yeah, a lot of staples. The Budlayas are looking nice. It should be red, but because of a high UV, it's just pink. Scheherazade, Laverne Freeman, Mr. Cass, and Leslie Woodruff. Let's check out my seedlings. And I'm sorry about the wind. This is a lovely cultivar from Anton Mego, and these are my Henry types with lovely green heart, darkish heart. It's not black heart, it's dark. Lovely green heart. the dark heart, green heart. Well, this is a lovely plant. I just had to stake it, but I didn't have time, so I gave up on staking plants. The alliums are in bloom. This is Allium tuberosum. This is Millennium, and the taller one is Summer Beauty, and the smaller ones are Angulosum, In Orbit. I like In Orbit, it's a nice cultivar. Some late blooming Aurelians. This is a nice color. This is one of my seedlings, and it's very closely related to Maygo's color dance. So nice. There are some still buds on these hybrids, but it's nearing the end. So this is an apricot colored one. I'm not really a great fan of apricot colors, at least on Aurelians, but it's not a bad one. So some lovely Aurelians from Maygo. My little Karolinka. And a lot of seeds. So, thank you for your attention. See you next time in the garden. Bye bye.